Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on Switch. First, you will need to download Overwatch 2 from the Nintendo eShop, where it is available for free. Ensure your Nintendo Switch has sufficient storage, as the game requires a significant amount of space. A stable internet connection is absolutely essential for online multiplayer, and you will also need a Nintendo account to get started and enjoy the game. Once you have the game, it is time to master the controls. The Nintendo Switch offers unique control options, including motion aiming with the Joy-Cons, which can greatly enhance your precision. Feel free to customize your button layout in the settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. Spend some time in the training range to get a feel for different heroes and their abilities before jumping into live matches. Overwatch 2 features a diverse roster of heroes, each falling into one of three roles: damage, tank, or support. Damage heroes are your primary offensive force, focused on taking down opponents. Tank heroes absorb damage and create space for the team, while support heroes keep everyone alive and provide valuable buffs. Understanding these roles is key to building a balanced and effective team composition. To truly excel, communication is vital. Use the in-game voice chat to coordinate with your team. Watching professional players can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and hero matchups. Do not be afraid to experiment with different heroes to find those that best suit your playstyle. Finally, fine-tune your controller sensitivity settings to ensure your aiming is as precise as possible for every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.